The Anti-Racism Alert Network has been activated due to a breach of misconduct by a fellow anti-racism activist. Darrell Lamont Jenkins has been caught in a conspiracy with Bill White of the American National Socialist Workers' Party. HeavyFed, with evidence that can be found at HeavyFed.com, has been able to prove that Darrell Lamont Jenkins, in full knowledge and conspiracy with Bill White, worked together with the reporter from the New Republic to release the Ron Paul newsletters the very first day of the primaries. Please go to HeavyFed.com for more information. Please also remember, slander is a tool of the wicked. This message has been brought to you by the Anti-Racism Alert Network.